look. So busy traffic. So busy traffic pa. There's accident behind, guys. Oh, behind?
On the side ba?
Saan ba? Saan ba talaga? Behind o forward? Sideward o saan ba? Guys, so busy guys. Oh, I don't know where is the accident, guys. Behind or forward or forward marks. Oh, traffic everywhere. Do you think, guys, only Philippines have traffic? Oh no. Also in Canada, guys. Traffic everywhere. Because there's a lot of car, that's why it's traffic. Right, Mitch?
That's right.
I thought you're so wrong. Oh, too much traffic. Traffic. But no ambulance already. Maybe the ambulance is in the hospital. Okay, guys. Bye-bye. Uy. What happened? Bye, guys. Bye. Yeah. Backward, sideward, forward. All is busy. Busy. Bumper to bumper, guys. You know what is bumper, guys? Bumper to bumper. Bam versus bam.